From custom shutters to unique window shapes, their 15,000 plus options do more than look good. They slash heating costs by up to 40%. Using eco-friendly materials, they provide professional fitting at no extra cost. Starting in Belgium, Verandair is a family-run company creating fixed-roof pergolas, verandas, pool enclosures, and solar carports. Since 1990, they've helped people turn patios into spaces that open to the sun or close against rain in seconds. Bifacial panels capture sunlight from both sides, and a reflective surface underneath can increase output by up to 15%. Made from responsibly sourced larch wood, it stores carbon naturally. Its modular layout fits homes or businesses and can charge your electric vehicle. Open or close it with the MyCover app or a remote. The Maytronics Air Cover 300 is an automatic pool cover made for pools up to 872 square feet. You can choose colors and finishes to match your yard. Most people think of a bulky hood over the stove, but Bora does things differently. Its extractor is built into the cooktop, pulling steam down before they spread. Models range from compact options to advanced systems with smart controls and flexible cooking zones. Australia! The Realm Drain is made by an Australian company focused on drainage and water management. It is for surface water on driveways and paths with a 3.94-inch depth. FlexDrain Pro is a flexible drainage pipe made from polyethylene, built for outdoor water problems. It usually comes in 4-inch widths and rolls of 50 to 100 feet. You can use it to move rainwater away or set up a French drain. If you need someone to help, there's Rosa, built by the same company. She costs $4,900 and can carry up to 100 pounds, like groceries or laundry, up and down stairs. About the size of a carry-on suitcase, she parks and charges in a small station. When seeing hard-to-reach, super high buildings that shine like they just got out of a bath, I wonder, how could they reach and clean those windows? Instead, I shout out loud, Philippe Petit, I know you've been there. Now robots can do it, using water-powered drones to clean skyscrapers. Take a closer look at the Foyer Sigma. This wood-burning insert heats medium to large rooms with 6.9 kilowatts of power and 84.9% efficiency. Glass door and optional side window create a wide view of the flames, ideal for a modern corner fireplace. London. Turns out, round solar panels can be up to 70% more effective than flat ones. Their spherical shape captures sunlight from multiple angles all day, not just in one direction. Raw Lemon Ltd developed BICSP technology with a sun-tracking glass lens and built-in battery storage. If you want to make your home more secure, You defiantly need smarter tech. SecureAM switches combine everyday light control with built-in security. There are 3 options, including motion sensing and dimmer models. They use laser sensors for more accurate detection, send alerts through the SecureAM Guard app, and work with Alexa or Google Assistant. Again, UK. Some say it's just a drink, but we know better. The Berry Sieur wakes you with fresh coffee right on your bedside table. Set it before bed, store milk, and let it start 5 minutes around your alarm. After a good watering, the lawn looks thick and ready for a trim. LUBA2 makes the job very easy. It's a robotic mower with all-wheel drive. Using smart 3D mapping, it cuts neatly around trees and buildings. You can control zones, schedules, and patterns in the app. Italy! Who still uses balconies for coffee time? That is still trendy. But balconies are also for solar panels now. For instance, iCaris balcony system is a quick 4-step setup. Each panel produces 330 watts and stores energy for later. This system is ideal for spaces up to 1,200 square feet. Its design ensures it can be installed in areas with limited room. The unit comes with useful accessories, including a telescopic pipe and additional cleaning tools. Users can switch between sweeping debris into the kick pan and using the extendable hose for traditional vacuuming. South Korea. Meet the Phantom Rovo massage chair. It gives full body massage with XD Pro rollers that move in tiny increments, just like real fingers. With 87 air pockets, heat up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit, body scanning, and space-saving design, it's made smart and simple. A wise person once said, "Work smarter, not harder." And Brisket have brought that to the kitchen with the Neo Sear. It Grills blends wood pellet smoke with electric heating for precise, fast cooking. Its AI, InnoGrill 2.0, guides you, answers questions, and adjusts temps or methods in real time. UK. Tired of uninvited guests? Just kidding. These UK-made Prickla 45 anti-climb spikes help stop unwanted visitors. Each strip fits walls or gates, and the weather-resistant plastic hold on rain and cold. Next machine is a collectible from Back to the Future Part 2, measuring 8.6 inches long. It floats on a magnetic base with lights that mimic the hover effect. Gull wing doors open and wheels switch between driving and flying modes.